Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E450 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, E450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at rear seats next. Got kind of a dark wood grain accent trim throughout, as well as the Burmester premium sound system throughout the vehicle. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side next, we've got power memory seats and heated seats, both driver and passenger. Door controls, driver's seat, steering wheel. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 6,796. Push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls, cup holder, command module for making adjustments on the display, and the shifter. If you're interested in more information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.